Hi everyone, welcome to my fluid art channel. It's Susie. I have a canvas that's 16 by 16 inch today, and it's a gallery wrap canvas with the thicker sides. And what I want to do is create a bloom on the canvas, and I want the cells to go throughout all the petals. I hope you can learn something and go and create your own blooms. So the plan today is to do a big bloom on this larger canvas. It's a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I've already painted over it. I wasn't happy with the results, so this is a redo. This is what I'm going to use for the pillow paint to help the paint flow. I put a little bit of polyurethane in the paint and about a tablespoon of Saks Medium and the rest American floetrol. I have a mixture of opaques and metallics. I use this color. The pillow helps the paint move smoothly on the canvas. Now because I've already done this canvas once, I've already taped it and I've already sprayed the bottom. Alright, and then I'm going to put some deoxycycline purple top of that. Put a little bit of the white. And that's an opaque color. The white is. Oh, the dark blue, that's also an opaque color. Let's see, what color next? I'm going to put some of this rouge on. I just wanted to have some red, and I think the red shows up the cells really nicely. That's why I wanted to have red in this today. And this is some of the lighter red, flame red. And you can say it really is like a flame red. And then put a little bit of this green along the edges. Well, it's more like a yellow green. And then put that through here too. Then some of this green. And then I want to put a little bit more of this red in here. A little bit more of that, and then I want to put some of this fuchsia. It's a very pretty color. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the gold, just a little bit. I don't want to put too much gold. Usually end up getting too much. Alright, now what am I going to use to blow it out with? Don't have any more white, but I have this color. Wait a minute. Like it when it starts tilting, and it does that all the time. So I'm going to put that like that so so it can tilt that way. And then we're gonna use some of this for the cell activator. I'm gonna put more than I did that last time because it just didn't seem to have enough to go out. And then I'm gonna turn this on. It has got the ring around it. we got sails. We got sails. Look at there. For some reason, there, and it's shiny. Oh, look at those. So pretty. I think that the red really makes these sails come out more. See, this is mostly white, but it did get sails there. This petal has them all throughout. This is the middle, which is, well, it was actually part of that one big petal. And this, oh, that's so pretty. Look at the sparkles. Oh, it's really pretty. And then this one up here. Look how big the cells got too. When you spin it, it makes them bigger. But you got to be careful because spinning can, if you spin it too much, it can get pretty wonky also. You don't really want, but that does happen if you spin it too much. All right. So this is the finished painting. Here it is right here. I don't know if you can see. This is it. Now what I would have preferred is to have red on all the petals. Like it didn't show up on here, but I got sails. But you know, I would have preferred to have the red on this side too, but you can't have everything. But it was a lot of fun creating it. I'm going to try to do some more and try to get the sails throughout all the petals and the colors all matching up as well. But I still think this one turned out pretty well. I think it's beautiful. It did get lots of sails. It's just the red didn't come on this side. That's the only complaint I have about it. And thank you for watching, and let's see what happens on the next video. Can't wait to see you next time.